Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. So today I will be drawing a rose in colored pencil in my Hahnemuhle sketchbook. So this is a very nice toned sketchbook with quite thin paper, but it works really well for colored pencils. So yeah, I wanted to draw a rose today. I've never drawn one before, so I hope you like it. And while I draw, I wanted to talk to you about my channel and how I see the future of my channel, because lately I've kind of been struggling with coming up with content and deciding what kind of videos to make. I know what kind of videos perform the best on my channel, which are the quick pastel time lapses, and the videos that perform the best are the very simple pastel drawings. So the galaxies and the night skies and the silhouettes, they perform really well, but I also feel like I can't improve on those anymore because they are literally the simplest videos on my channel. I do a very quick drawing, I do a very simple edit, and it's very unpersonal, I think. So lately I wanted to upload more lengthy videos, more informative videos, and also a bit more personal videos, but I feel like every time I upload a video like that, it performs way less good than those simple time-lapse drawing videos. So now I'm starting to get very insecure about my videos because yeah, I kind of don't know anymore what to make. And of course, YouTube is not my job. I'm not aiming for it to be my full-time job, but it is part of my business. So I'm taking it very seriously and I want to be good at it. So yeah, I'm kind of struggling with that. Let me know if you have any ideas, any suggestions. I'm kind of struggling to decide if I should keep on making those very simple pastel drawings and upload very quick time lapses of those, or if I should change the style of my videos and do more personal ones as well, with taking the risk of losing many views. So that is something I've been thinking about. What I also really want to do in the future is live streams. I do a live stream on Instagram once in a while and I really enjoy that. So let me know if you're interested in live streams. And then I still have to invest in some stuff to create a nice setup. So let me know if you're interested in that as well. So yeah, these are the things I have been thinking about. I'm comparing myself to other YouTubers all the time and I feel like my videos are just not personal enough. And the best performing YouTube channels are the ones that are personal, are like personality driven, and my channel is just about drawing and I feel like it's not good enough. So yeah, that's what I've been struggling with lately. But to talk a little bit about this drawing as well, the rose took me 2 hours to complete, and I sketched it out really fast, and then I worked like from petal to petal. So I started with the most left petal and then I worked my way towards the right. And then at last I also decided to add some highlights with my white Sakura Jelly Roll pen. And I think especially on this toned paper that a highlight pen like that works really well. And when it comes to the coloring of this rose, I try to keep my color palette quite limited. So I used mostly a couple of pinks and a couple of reds. And then for the darkest shadows I used a dark purple. It is the Caput Mortem Violet, I think that's what it's called. And when it comes to the coloring process, I made sure to follow the shapes of the petals, to follow the curves, and to make sure that my strokes were going in the right direction. And I just kept on layering, and in the end I do the burnishing with the white pencil to get a smooth effect. So I hope you like the outcome. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know what you think about my story. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. And don't forget to turn up post notifications as well, so you'll get notified when I upload. Most of the time I upload on Thursdays, but it may vary sometimes. So yeah, don't forget to do that as well. Then I want to thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.